This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the latest and probably the best Samsung flagship smartphone. I had a chance to spend a little bit of time with it, and here are my first impressions and all new features you need to know before buying it. The looks of the Note 10 Plus tells you this is a Samsung phone as we have familiar design language, a shiny layer of Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and rear, and a metal chassis. As usual, the phone is IP68 certified for water and dust resistance. However, there are a few subtle yet significant changes both in terms of design and features. Obviously, the device is thinner, lighter, and more convenient to grip than last year's Note 9. Also, the phone has screen-to-body ratio of 94%. What I don't like is the new placement of the buttons. They are all on the left side of the device, which is definitely not my favorite spot. The headphone jack is gone. That's it, folks. This might be the end of 3.5mm ports on Samsung flagship phones, as I don't expect to see it on the Samsung Galaxy S11 either. A massive 6.8 inches screen is the best panel Samsung has ever put in a smartphone. In addition to this, it's got 42% less blue light effect, more accurate colors, 2K resolution, and it might be the best screen we've seen on a phone yet. The Note 10 Plus is big, but thanks to tiny bezels on each side, it's not significantly larger than the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If you still think that this device is too big for you, there is the regular Note 10 with 6.3 inches display, and the phone feels really good in the hand. I will talk about the regular Note 10 in my future videos as I spend most of the time with the Note 10 Plus. The selfie camera punch hole is now in the top middle portion of the display. The shooter also has a few new features that include a night mode and my favorite selfie focus video. That means that you can record videos with that blurry background effect everyone likes. Some may say it's a gimmick, but I really like this feature and I can't wait to test the quality of footage in my full review. Subscribe so you don't miss that. Other great selfie camera features are still here too: dual pixel autofocus and 4K video recording. Flip the phone to the back and you'll find a new vertical camera layout that consists of regular, wide angle, and telephoto lens. This might seem like an identical camera setup to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, but you see those tiny 3 dots? One of them is actually depth vision lens or time of flight camera that we have already seen on the Huawei P30 Pro. It's used for photos and videos to get a more natural, blurred background effect. Speaking of bokeh effects, there will be a basic blur, glitch, color point, and a big circle effect. The Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus are the first Samsung phones to have 3 microphones. One is actually below the camera. This allows you to use what Samsung calls audio focus. In other words, you can focus in or out on the audio, which will give you up to 3 times loudness, better noise suppression, and better overall audio in your videos. For me as a video shooter, this is a really important feature. The Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus introduced Super Steady Video. Now I can use it with a regular lens too. The phone will have an improved video editing application too. In order to edit high-resolution video or do any other high-intensity tasks, you need to have lots of processing power. As you may expect, the Note 10 Plus brings bleeding-edge specifications including a 7nm CPU, plenty of RAM and storage that can be further expanded via the microSD card slot. Both the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus will have 2 SIM card slots too. Samsung says that the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus will be better at multitasking, gaming, and so on. The first impressions are definitely positive as the phone feels fast and smooth and it runs on the feature-packed One UI that is based on Android 9. The S Pen is usually what makes the Note series devices stand out from the crowd. Each year, Samsung adds some new features and 2019 is no exception. Now the S Pen has a gyroscope sensor that allows you to do gestures or what Samsung calls air actions. For example, we can change the camera modes by swiping left to right, switch between main and selfie cameras, and even zoom in or out by drawing a circle. I know this looks really gimmicky, but if you are a solo shooter that uses phone to create content, you may find this feature useful. Most importantly, gestures work really well even on the pre-release software build. The S Pen also has much improved battery life of 11 hours and Bluetooth 5 for better range. Another feature that I'm yet to test out with the S Pen, improved text conversion, which translates your handwriting to the digital text pretty much automatically. Samsung also improved their DeX system. You can now use DeX on Windows laptop or MacBook. That means that you can use integrated keyboard and the mouse of the computer. Also, you'll be able to drag and drop pictures or any other files, receive or reply to phone messages, enjoy phone applications on PC or Mac via screen mirroring, play phone games, and so on. The thing that concerns me the most about the Note series devices, battery life. Even though Samsung claims up to 27% better battery life, I wish the capacity was larger. I can't wait to test it out in detail in my upcoming full review. For now, we know that both the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus model will have fast 25 watts charging support. The Note 10 Plus will even support 45 watts fast charging, but you'll need to buy the charger separately, whether it will be from Samsung or a third-party manufacturer. Samsung improved its wireless charging technology too, which is now set to be 30% faster. Same as on the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus, there is a reverse wireless charging feature. Overall, my first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus are really positive. While some of the features are a little bit gimmicky, but the Note 10 Plus shapes up to be one of the most powerful and feature-packed phones of 2019. The device ticks pretty much all the boxes when it comes to design, display, processing power, overall performance, cameras, and the S Pen functionality gives the competitive edge over other phones out there. I will update the exact pricing and availability in the video description down below, but expect to pay at least $1,000 for this phone. Well, that's the price of a premium phone these days, and the Note 10 Plus is definitely one of the most premium devices that money can buy at the moment. What do you think about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus? Would you buy this device or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, drop me a comment down below if you have any questions, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.